What is a dream bike build? Is it just a mix of the latest and most expensive components on the market? Or can it be something deeper than that? I've never been a handy person with a deep knowledge of mechanics or craftsmanship. I grew up in a home where I was never around a workshop or tools. The most complicated maintenance I did to a bike was change a flat tire. I got into cycling as a way of training, and I was pretty much forced to learn more about the bikes. If I was a bad mechanic, I was even worse at drawing and painting. I can't even draw a stick figure. It looks like a 3-year-old made it. It was my brother-in-law who asked if he could come to our garage because we had just bought a new house and paint a bike frame that he had, and he was going to build it into a gravel bike. And I was like, that looks like fun. I want to do that too. To me, the bike build is all about the process. I love the planning, to do research, brainstorm, to start over, to pick and choose both the paint and the spec. That really suits me. I think bike building speaks to me because it's a very creative process where I get to design and paint the frame, pick the parts and so on, yet binary in terms of how I assemble the bike. I think many people underestimate their capacity. I work in finance, so if I can do it, anyone can do it. But you have to dedicate yourself and respect the process and time that goes into it. The build process is somehow both exciting and relaxing at the same time. In the workshop, I can just forget time and room and really relax. But I'm not a professional mechanic, and many of the things I do for the first time. So there's often a feeling of, did I really fit that part right? Before I start, I always simulate the build. The most annoying thing is when you mount something and you realize that you need to pick it apart again because you need to fit something else in between or underneath it. I like to buy all the parts up front so that I can do my build in one go, so I don't have to wait for any extra new parts to arrive. A dream bike for me is not about the gear and components. It's that you put your heart and soul into it, that you build it yourself. You know every little nut and bolt on it, and and it has small flaws in the paint that only you know about. The components are not irrelevant, but it's the feeling that you picked every part, that every part has its own story. This bike, I painted it, I've built it, and I will ride it with pride. I haven't been mountain biking since I was a teenager, so last fall I started to do my research. I wanted to build a beautiful bike that rides really well, and when you buy the parts piece by piece, you can actually save quite a lot, but it does take time. I wasn't planning on an electronic group set, but when I found the SRAM GX Access kit on Black Friday at a very good price, I just couldn't resist. It really made the build so much easier. I mean, one buy and wireless gears. I only had to route the rear and brake hose, and it was really easy. This bike, I built it both from brand new parts as well as second-hand parts. In that way, I could build a very high-spec bike without breaking the bank. It's not a top-spec bike, but it is a high-spec bike. I have, of course, the GX Access drivetrain, the Magura MT4 brakes, carbon wheels, etc. There's a lot of carbon fiber, and I'm not gonna lie, I am a bit of a weight weenie, so weight has definitely been a factor when buying the components. And it's a quite aggressive XC hardtail that I've built for speed in not so technical terrain. So here we have it, my dream bike build. I think that for the money I've spent, I've gotten a lot of bang for the buck, but it has taken half a year to finish the whole bike. If you want to see the paint process, you should definitely check out this video over here. I'll see you in my next DIY bike project. Cheers.